Hello everyone. So today I will be basically reviewing these beef bulgogi dumplings that I bought at Costco. I'm going to make them two ways. I'm going to go ahead and fry one pot sticker, and I'm going to put another in our Insignia air fryer and see if the air fryer is just as good as it being pan fried. I hope the air fryer is better because I don't want to use the oil, but we shall see. Now don't laugh, there's literally two pot stickers on a plate. I just wanted to try them out and review them for you. I have my pan going on the heat, and I'm going to go ahead and place one in the air fryer. So come along with me. Air fryer. That poor pot sticker is going to look very lonely. And in it goes. I'm going to go ahead and put it to 400. It's the magic number on this air fryer. And I will let it go. I guess I'll put it down to about 5 minutes. We'll come back and check on that in 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I think my oil is heated. I'll place this little guy right there. Already crackling. All right, so we'll let this fry in the pan and in the air fryer, and we will come back once they're done. While we wait, I was thinking maybe I should show you the nutritional facts. So for 6 pieces or 6 dumplings, it's 420 calories. I expect that is also because they are being fried in oil, but it's a lot of calories for 6 pieces. I hope they're delicious. And it also says that you can put them in soups. So I guess you can just drop them in if you're making a nice Asian soup. That'd be yummy. So there are other alternatives or other ways to eat it. Oh, my dumpling is frying up. I covered it just because of the splatter. Oh, let's take it off. Get my fork. There's the air fryer. All right, I think that's done. Pretty and crispy. Of course, greasy from the oil. Let's bring it over to the air fryer. It has been almost 5 minutes. I'm going to check on it. Oh, little guy. All alone in there. Okay. Should we finish off that last minute? Yeah, let's do it. All right. I'm taking this baby out. Let's drop him down there. All right, let's do a side-by-side comparison here. So, even with no grease, the one I air fried still looks greasy, as if I did fry it. Now, of course, this looks a little crispier on all the edges, but it's also surrounded in a pool of oil, which I do not like. All right, now let's cut into these babies. All right, so pan fried. Yeah, there's that sound we like though, right? All right, juicy on the inside. And air fried. Oh, not so crispy. Not that crunch that we got, but it's still juicy. All right, I'll go ahead and taste it. It's gonna be hot. Hey. All right. I would make a Thai sauce with this really, but let's taste it on its own. Now, alone, the dumplings or the pot stickers themselves are delicious. Like, I would definitely buy this again at Costco. Hopefully they'll have it the next time I go. You know how Costco is. They change things around often. But this is really good. All right, let's taste the air fryer. Here it is. So, once again, the product on its own is really good. I recommend you buying these. The air fryer left it a little less crispy, crunchy on the outside. So there was like a chewier texture. But, you know, if you want to be a little healthier, it's still a really good option. I think I would still fry them because I just love that crispiness of a oil fried dumpling. But all in all, they're both good. But I would go pan fried. And as for the product itself, really good product. Once again, it's from, I think, Bibigo. Bibigo. Share Korean flavor. Bibigo. Please go out, try them out. They're really good. See you guys later.